up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I've got the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and see what's inside the box. So as you can see, the box has got a nice leather feel. It's very well built. This is the Chinese version. You got the camera powered by Zeiss in there. So on the side we have the Vivo X70 Pro Plus imprinted there. So this is the 512 version. So let's open the box up and see what's inside. So when you open the box, you were presented with the cameras at the back of the phone there, and there is the Pro Plus written at the back as well on that side. So I'm just gonna lift this to open up. And here's the phone itself. I'm just gonna lift it and put it on one side. We have this nice compartment for the phone itself, and we have inside the box we have as well a nice vegan leather touch-like case which come in the phone, which is quite nice. Then we have some paperwork in here. And then we have the SIM card ejecting tool in there as well, and I think like a VIP card, as you can see there. So this we have a USB-C to USB-A cable. We have the 66 watt flash charger. And because this is the 512 gig version with 12 gig RAM, you get the wireless headphone, the Vivo wireless headphone in the box. But if you go for the 256 version, you only get a wired headphone with it. So that's it in the box. There is nothing else. Let's check this wrap off. Here's the phone itself. We're just gonna go quickly through the initial setup. There you go. So the phone is now on the home screen. So on the top we have a microphone, the infrared blaster there. It's written there, professional photography. So on the side we have the volume up and down, and the power button. At the bottom we have the speaker grill, the USB-C, a microphone, and then the SIM card tray. And then on the other side there's nothing. If you look at the back, it's got a nice touchy feeling, no fingerprint at all. And we have the quad camera setup at the back with Zeiss imprinted there, and the dual LED flash. Very nice. And at the front we have a 6.78 LTPO AMOLED display with 32 megapixel front camera, which can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second. So this is the Chinese version, so it doesn't have Google Play Store, but it can be easily installed. So the main thing, the main feature for this phone is just the camera. Just gonna go quickly through the camera settings. So we have, let's just have a look. We have a high resolution, and then we have a night mode, portrait, and then we have the normal photo camera, and then video, and then we have the Pro, which gives you lots of options there. You can change it for professional photographer. Then if you tap on more, it gives you more options. You got slow-mo, vlog, long exposure. You can do live photo, and then the super moon. Got lots of options there you can do. You got double exposure, which allow you to make use of that big camera. Let's check the display settings. You got the eye protection. You can switch it on and off. Now the screen resolution is 2400 by 1080, but you can change it to 3200 1440 quad HD at the bottom there. And then the refresh rate is support up to 120 Hz refresh rate. You can set it as a smart switch or 60, or just set it to full on 120. This phone has a great sound quality. Let's just play some sample and you can hear it. Yes, the volume is it's just halfway through. It's very loud. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.